everybody, welcome to my video today. It is a Thursday and I usually don't post a video for you guys on Thursday. I usually post Monday, Tuesday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I want to start something new with you guys, and this is what I'm going to call Hello Thursday. So there's often times where I have more projects that I'm doing than I have actual time to share with you guys. And sometimes they're really random. And this is kind of one of those random moments. And I thought, what if I took Thursdays and made it a kind of a special treat if I have something going on? So right now, for the next 8 to 10 weeks, depending on how far behind I get, we're going into the holiday season, we are going to do Hello Christmas, and that's going to happen on Thursdays. So, you know, maybe in January I'll be doing Hello Celebrations, because maybe we'll have our big celebration sale again. So I just thought it would be a fun way to have an extra project during the week, and instead of maybe doing 12 weeks of Christmas, which everybody does 12 weeks of Christmas, or doing, you know, 8 weeks of Halloween or whatever that, you know, is, I thought maybe I would just do Hello Christmas, and I would do some really fun Christmas projects, and then during celebrations maybe I'll do some celebration projects, or maybe I'll have Hello Birthday during my birthday month. Like, we'll be doing birthday projects. So I just thought it would be a fun way to do something a little bit different and get an extra project in for you guys. So let me show you what I'm going to use today. I'm going to be using this stamp set and this punch, and let me show you how this comes, because this is really fun. This comes in this really beautiful Christmas tin, and what you get is you get a stamp set, which is this stamp set right here. You get a punch, which coordinates with it, and then you get a clear block, and you get some ink. You get a couple Stampin' Spots. And it's really fun. This is a really fun set. I love that it coordinates with this punch, and so I thought we would use it. The other thing I'm going to use is some black tissue paper, and this tissue paper actually came in my paper pumpkin kit this last month. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to show you a really fun way to take any box. You know, we all get random boxes for different things. This is a Eden's Garden box, and I use essential oils, and I use the brand Eden's Garden, and they come in this really cool box. So there was 2 that came in this box, and I thought, how cool is this box? And originally I kept it because I thought, oh, I want to try to recreate this box because it's so pretty, right? This part slides out, and then you have this cool part right here, right? And it's this really cool box. It has some of their information on it, you know, and it has their branding. That's why originally I wanted to try to recreate it. And I guess I probably could. My friend Chris could probably recreate this in 30 seconds. But I thought it would be fun. But the other thing that I thought would be fun is, here is a little piece of a box that came out of this one, right? And I could use this, and we can all reuse the boxes that we end up getting. So I thought, why don't I make a belly band? I have a little gift that I want to give to somebody, and actually it is one of the essential oils. So let me show you. So this is the essential oil in its container, and you see it fits in there, and there were 2 in here. So I'm just going to put one. I want to give this as a gift. And so what I want to do is I want to make like a little belly band basically for it. So let me show you how easy it is to recreate something like this. All you're going to do, or upcycle it, you know, that's really kind of a popular thing right now. So this box is like 3 inches, just about 3 inches this way, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to cut this paper, and this is some of the Dashing Along the Way designer paper, and it was exclusive paper, and it was from a promotion last month. So I'm going to cut 2.5, and then this red piece I'm going to cut at like 1 1/4. Okay, you guys are going to be shocked at how quickly this little project comes together. So we have this, and this is going to be layered. Clearly, we're going to go ahead and layer this. So all we have to do is take our box. So see, it's going to cover it. And one thing that you can do is take some of our window sheets if you wanted, and make a clear belly band to go across it, and then decorate it with paper. I think it's going to be totally fine to just go ahead and do the paper over this, because I'm going to put black tissue paper in it. So all I'm going to do is wrap this around. I want it to be in the middle of the back, because that's where I'm going to hide all of the seams and everything. And then I'm going to wrap this around. I'm going to want it to be pretty tight. And then you know what I do? I just crease it. And then I come over to my trimmer, and then I can get a pretty good measurement. So this is going to be, we can do 7 inches. So do 7 inches for that. Now I can cut my red one to 7 inches. So you just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just fun, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I have my box. I'm going to take my tissue paper. And I probably don't really need this much. But I want it to be pretty in there. It's all about the details. So then we'll put this right here in the middle. And I probably need a little bit more here. Just like that. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll put the green over it. And I just figured all of this out just on camera with you guys. I knew it wouldn't be that hard, so I didn't even pre-plan any of this. I was just like, let's figure it out together, because I just want you to see how easy it can be. I'm sure you have some packaging that you've gotten this week for something that you can totally reuse. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this pretty tight, and then you can use your snail if you want. Since this is designer paper, the snail's going to work really well. And then if you want, you can put a little bit of tape on that seam. Put a tiny piece so that you can hide that tape. And then what you're going to do is just add your red strip right to this the same way. So we have our box just like this. Now you could put anything in there. I mean, you could have put chocolates in there. It just depends on what kind of box you have you're doing this with. So now let's just take a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I just have a bunch of little pieces up here, and I'm going to pick one of these. Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, I think is going to be perfect. And we will use, let's use, I think I'm going to use basic black, because I think it'll make this box pop a little bit. So then we need a clear block. Then you'll take your punch, and this is going to line up perfectly. These would be great for stocking stuffers. So think about maybe some of the packaging that you have around that would be really cool for stocking stuffers. So now what I want to do is add some gold, something gold to this, and I just got this ribbon. These are mini sequences, and look at how gorgeous this is. So you can see with just a few products, you can really make something snazzy. So let's cut this off. And what I'm going to do, and then I can take a pop dot and put it right on the back of this. And there is our cute little box. And I'll zoom in. I was kind of far out, but I just really wanted you guys to be able to see how I was doing it. So then you'll notice that, now this may not bug some people, but it definitely bugs me. There's some edges right here just that are white. So all you have to do is take a Sharpie or your black alcohol marker. This is the dark black. And you can just color that in. I just don't like that that white is showing. It's just the part of the box, but it kind of makes the box look like it's worn or that it's like torn. So just color that in. So I would love to know if you thought that this was helpful, or if you are excited about maybe finding some boxes that are laying around and repurposing them for packaging purposes. And what do you think would be great to go in here? I used that little essential oil, but you could use anything. This would even be perfect for like chocolates. Like if you just wanted to add some chocolates to something, it would be so cute. So thank you guys so much for checking out my video today. I hope you enjoyed the way I did this video and how I just kind of put this project together with you guys and talked you through it. Hope you're having a wonderful Thursday, and make sure you come back tomorrow. I'll have another video for you guys with another project. Have a great day. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.